Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the water filter output tube in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord and shut off the water supply. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws securing the water supply line retainer to the rear panel. Detach the water supply line from the inlet valve. Next, unthread the remaining screws securing the rear access panel. Set the panel aside. Now unthread the water inlet valve mounting screws to detach the valve from the frame. Remove the tube retainer and use a small wrench to depress the locking ring to release the white water filter output tube from the valve. Remove the tape and unthread the screws securing the 3 tube retainers. Slide off the retainers. Unthread the screws securing the tube cover. Lift off the cover. Pull the output tube out of the zip tie retainers. Now open the refrigerator door and push the end of the water filter in to detach the filter from the housing. Use a large flathead screwdriver to help pry off the filter housing cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the screw securing the lower filter housing. Slide the lower filter housing forward to remove. Release the white water output tube from the port. You can now pull the old water output tube through the cabinet to fully remove. Install the new water filter output tube by feeding the straight end through the rear panel. Fully insert the curved end into the filter base port. Reposition the lower filter housing and secure it with the screw. Replace the cover. Reinstall the water filter by aligning it in the housing, then push firmly until it locks into place. Now feed the new output tube through the zip tie retainers. Add some silicone in the tube channel on the rear panel to insulate. Reposition the tube cover and secure it with the screws. Secure the tubes in the retainers and rethread the screws to secure the retainers to the rear panel. Secure the tubes to the rear panel with tape if necessary. Now fully insert the output tube into the port on the water inlet valve and snap on the retainer. Align the slot on the water inlet valve bracket with the screw on the side of the cabinet and slide the valve into place. Rethread and tighten the screws to secure. Reposition the rear access panel and secure it with the screws. Reattach the water supply line to the inlet valve. Secure the line to the rear panel with the retainer. With the repair completed, turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.